Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking a quick trip down into Portsmouth to go to the dentist. It has been a very long time since I've been to the dentist, but I thought, well, in all fairness, the reason I haven't been to the dentist in so long is because I kept forgetting, because the dentist I used to see would always say, yeah, you're absolutely fine, come back in a year's time. Brilliant. They really annoying, wouldn't book an appointment for a year's time, and then I just literally would just forget. So it's just got 9 o'clock in the morning, a little bit of rush hour traffic still, and yeah, hopefully I've got the appointment at 9:30, so I'm not a million miles away. I just hope that I can actually find a parking space quite close to the dentist and get in there on time. Well, it looks like I'm good for time at the moment. I've got 20 minutes and I'm only a few minutes away, so all good. Coming into the city of Pompey. Sales looking pretty crap. Just look tired and dirty, don't they? So thankfully I've missed most of the rush hour traffic. Yeah, so it's been a while since I've been to the dentist. The last time I went was 2009, so we're looking about 14 years ago. 14 years I haven't been to the dentist, and that's not for any phobias at all or anything like that. That is literally me forgetting to book an appointment, and the dentist then obviously removing me from their books because I haven't been in so long, which is really frustrating. However, then obviously having been removed from their books, I couldn't find a NHS dentist that would take me on, so I just ticked along, hoping I could get a dentist appointment. But that said, luckily my dad goes to this dentist still, gets on well with the dentist, and managed to get me back on the books. So thank you, Dad, for getting me sorted on that one, and I booked an appointment. Now the best bit, no, I don't know why it's like this, and this is like it with doctor surgeries and dentist surgeries. Receptionists. Now I guarantee I'm going to have a load of get my words out, a load of receptionists moaning, or partners of receptionists moaning about this next comment. However, I really don't know why receptionists feel the need to be on some sort of like power trip, because it really comes across like a power trip for some, not all, some receptionists. Doctor surgery seems to be the absolute worst. However, phoned up the dentist to book the appointment, and yeah, I said, can I book an appointment? And she said, yeah, that's no problem. Oh, you haven't been in so long, you're off our books, and no, you can't book an appointment. And she got really funny, really power hungry, really difficult, really shirty, and basically was quite satisfied that I could no longer book an appointment. So when I told her that the actual dentist, I think who owns the practice, said that I can book an appointment, well, you should have heard the tone in her voice. It changed, and she really did sound like she was eating her words a little bit. She didn't sound too happy, but I felt quite happy. Take that smugness out of your voice, and just book me the appointment. So yeah, 14 years I've had it. Luckily, in those 14 years I have not had a single issue with my teeth. Obviously sensitive teeth here and there, but I just use sensitive toothpaste, and no dramas whatsoever, thankfully. Obviously my teeth are still a little bit sensitive, but nothing that I can't live through. So what I'm going to do is I will stop recording. I'm about 2 miles away, well, about 3 miles away from the dentist, and I'll catch up with you guys after. Alright, so I'm all done at the dentist, and really nice dentist that chap. Yeah, 14 years last time I went to the dentist, and he has said my teeth are absolutely perfect. So I've done well looking after them. The only thing I've got to get done is I've got to see the hygienist. Apparently my gums just need a little bit of cleaning or something or other like that. But just to basically prolong my gums life, really. So yeah, it's actually worked out quite well. 14 years of brushing twice a day with an electric toothbrush. Not used a manual one for, well, I've used a manual toothbrush every now and again here and there when I've been like camping or on holiday, things like that. But in general, always use an electric toothbrush. And yeah, my teeth are perfect. Absolutely fantastic news. So I'll tell you what though, it is so expensive, the dentist. So for hygienist and also like the adult checkup with x-rays, yeah, cost £98. 98 quid. Well, in all fairness though, I can imagine if I was on private medical, or sorry, private dentist, that would have been a hell of a lot more expensive. So I guess in the grand scheme of things it's not that bad, but when you still look at it, at £98, that is quite pricey. But hey ho, it's got to happen. I want to keep my teeth. I don't want to end up with dentures or anything like that. Right guys, I am literally going to pop to the shops quickly and then head on home. So only a short video. I'm just starting to do some more of these little vlog style videos, and I hope you like them. Like I said, I just want to try and make this channel a little bit more diverse with the type of content I add on it. But yeah, anyway guys, take care, see you soon.